Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Andre, realtor in the Houston area. In today's video, I'll be showcasing this beautiful luxury townhouse. It is 3-bed, 3.5 bath, 1,821 square feet, and the neighborhood is Garden Oaks. So this is one of our listings, and we have a whole bunch of listings in the Heights area. So if you're looking for luxury townhouse in the Heights area, contact me and I'll get you a great deal. So this listing is actually the last one of this kind. This is a popular plan, a popular model. This is the last one. So if you're interested, contact me today for a showing. I will be showing more luxury townhouses in the Heights area, so stay tuned. As always, thank you for watching and enjoy the tour.